What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best 3D printer in 2026, whether for professional prototyping, hobby projects, or multicolor printing, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers that offer speed, precision, smart features, and excellent print quality. From beginner-friendly machines to high-end professional models, this list has something for everyone. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Official Creality K2 Combo. At number 1 is the official Creality K2 Combo. This is one of the most complete 3D printers on the market in 2026. It combines multicolor printing, blazing fast 600 mm per second speed, smart AI monitoring, and full chamber support. The enclosed chamber helps maintain stable temperatures, improving print quality with advanced materials. Its 300-degree direct drive extruder handles high-performance materials with ease. The built-in AI camera provides real-time monitoring and failure detection. The 260 by 260 by 260 mm build area offers excellent versatility. Creality's ecosystem, community support, and proven reliability make it the top choice for most users. Pros: excellent print quality, multicolor CFS system, enclosed chamber, AI camera monitoring, reliable Creality ecosystem, high-speed performance. If you want the best overall 3D printer in 2026, the Creality K2 Combo is hard to beat. Number 2. AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer. Next, we have the AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer. This machine features a CoreXY system and high-speed 600 mm per second performance, making it highly competitive. Its one-click auto-leveling simplifies the setup process significantly. The 300-degree direct drive extruder supports a wide variety of advanced filaments. With a 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume, it's ideal for detailed, precision-focused prints. The multicolor system adds creative flexibility for complex models. Its precision engineering makes it a strong choice for users who value accuracy. Pros: excellent print precision, multicolor support, fast CoreXY system, easy leveling, strong filament compatibility. For users focused on speed and precision, this printer offers fantastic value. Number 3. K2 Combo Printer. This printer delivers many premium features in a more compact form factor. It includes multicolor printing with the CFS system, smart auto leveling, and a direct drive extruder capable of 300 degrees Celsius. The dual AI camera system provides real-time monitoring, helping prevent failed prints. One standout feature is its quiet operation, making it great for home or office environments. The 260 by 260 by 260 mm build volume gives enough room for medium to large projects. Pros: multicolor printing, quiet printing operation, dual AI monitoring, fast print speeds, good build volume. This is an excellent balance between performance, smart features, and manageable size. Number 4. K2 Plus Combo Printer. Next, we have the K2 Plus Combo. This is a larger format multicolor printer designed for users who need more build space. It offers a massive 350 by 350 by 350 mm build volume, making it ideal for large-scale projects. The integrated CFS system supports multicolor printing, which is a huge advantage for creative designs. Its 600 mm per second speed keeps production efficient, while full auto leveling removes calibration headaches. The next-generation direct drive extruder supports high-temperature materials and consistent extrusion. Dual AI cameras help monitor print progress and detect failures. Pros: huge build volume, multicolor printing support, dual AI cameras, fast and efficient, great for large projects. If you need bigger prints and multicolor capability, this is a powerful machine worth considering. Number 5. Adventurer 5M. Last but not least, we have the Adventurer 5M. This printer is designed for users who want high-speed performance without complicated setup. It features a CoreXY motion system and can print at 600 mm per second. One of its biggest highlights is the fully automatic leveling system, which makes setup incredibly easy for beginners. The direct extruder reaches up to 280 degrees Celsius, allowing compatibility with multiple filament types, including PLA, PETG, and TPU. The all-metal frame improves stability during high-speed printing, reducing vibrations and improving accuracy. Pros: fast 600 mm per second print speed, fully automatic leveling, stable CoreXY structure, beginner-friendly setup. Detachable nozzle system. For beginners and casual makers, the Adventurer 5M is one of the easiest and fastest printers available right now. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 5 best 3D printers in 2026. All product links are in the description below if you want to check prices or learn more. If this video helped you choose the right 3D printer, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tech reviews and buying guides. And drop a comment below. Which 3D printer do you think deserves the #1 spot? Until next time, stay creative, keep building, and we'll see you in the next video.